Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to add products from Alibaba to your Shopify store using the latest methods. I can explain it in very simple way. So let's jump right into it. First things first, make sure you have your Shopify store set up and ready to go. If you haven't done this yet, head over to shopify.com and sign up for an account. Follow the prompts to set up your store. Next, head over to alibaba.com and start searching for the products you want to sell. Use the search bar to find items that fit your niche. When you find a product you're interested in, make sure to evaluate it thoroughly. Check the product details, reviews, and ratings. Also, verify the supplier's reliability by looking at their ratings and trade assurance. Once you've found a product you like, contact the supplier to discuss pricing, minimum order quantities, and shipping details. Make sure to clarify all terms before proceeding. To easily import products from Alibaba to Shopify, we'll use the extension in Shopify called Alibaba Dropshipping. First, sign in, create an account called Sign Up. Verify your Gmail account. Then scratch the captcha. Then verify your phone number. After that, you will see this type of dashboard. I can already do it. Then search your product related to your niche. When you find a product you're interested in, make sure to evaluate it thoroughly. Check the product details, reviews, and ratings. Also, verify the supplier's reliability by looking at their ratings and trade assurance. Then go back and tap Add to Product List. Then add your products list. After that, you can add your all products. Then go to your product list. Then check it. After that, push to your store. Then after, go back to your store. Also, set up your preferred payment gateways. Click on Setting. Then scroll down and select Payments. Then set your payment methods. Then check your products. Example: pick, variants, etc. And then preview the product and check it. And that's it. You've successfully added products from Alibaba to your Shopify store. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and don't forget to subscribe for more e-commerce tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye.